Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Windows 11 taskbar to look like Windows 10 taskbar. So for that you have to go to settings first. So let's find settings here. Here is settings. So after clicking on that you have to find personalization here and then scroll down a little bit, and here you will find a taskbar option. Click on that and here you will see many options like that. Here you have to click on taskbar behaviors and click on you will find option taskbar alignment. Click on that in center, this arrow, and click on left. So it will move back all the icon to the left like Windows 10. So that's how you can change the Windows 11 taskbar and make it look like Windows 10's one. And if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you for watching this video.